first thing you're going to do is go to business.facebook.com right here. That is going to allow you to schedule content out. This is specifically for the squeeze pages that we build. And I have another video on why we want to use squeeze pages, because every lead generated from someone clicking on these links will be labeled for whatever that search may be. So the first thing we're going to do is come over here and we're going to go ahead and create a post. So we create a post, and now you can come over here to one of my links. I'm personally going to go ahead and use that short link because I use my own graphic. You don't have to. I come over here and I'm going to paste that. And now that's there. So it's like, well, what do I do now? It will pull in a graphic based on what our criteria was. And that's fine if you are scheduling and posting it right now. I personally will schedule months out in advance. I will do these for weekly. So I use my own photo, and this is for Melbourne. So I am actually going to use my own photo that I have. And let's see, where did I put that? Right. Social. And Melbourne. Where are you at? There we go. So I create my own graphics, and we do provide, we do have templates if you want those. So I'm going to use my own. Because this is social media, I am using the short link. If I'm doing ads, I will use this long link. So I'm going to come over here, and then you're like, well, what do I say? Well, that's a good thing. If I did your squeeze pages or you use my template, come on over to my buyers, and I have stuff that you can do if you want to use the hashtags not. So I'm going to come back over here. Now I'm just going to paste this and change out the area, the city, whatever, splash into your pool home if you're using the pool, whatever it may be. Now you can go ahead and schedule. And maybe I want these. Okay, so every Wednesday at 1 p.m., I will go ahead and do these, whatever it may be. I like to do them weekly, and I will change them out for whichever areas, and I'll switch them out. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and schedule that. See how easy that was? And now you basically, if I come over here to month and I refresh, it'll actually show me. And you can schedule even to Instagram, everything else. This account personally does not have an Instagram. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to create another post. And we're going to basically do the same thing and just look at the different options you may have. So now I'm going to come over here and copy this one. And this one is in the Atlantic. I'm going to use my own photo. Where's my in the Atlantic? Come over here to my little cheat sheet. And these are actually buyer, but that's okay. And I'm just going to go to the second one. Change them as you want to. We want to keep that short URL. Dream home, and where am I? And go further. Now I'm going to go over here to schedule. I already did today, so I'm just do the 19th, and we're going to do 1 p.m. Get them after lunch and schedule. So you see that in a matter of, what was it, maybe 2 minutes, I have 2 weeks worth of content. Now go down the line. You can actually just go ahead and schedule month, and you can actually see them all right here. It's great. That's how you're going to use those squeeze pages. It's going to label everybody inside of your KV Core plan in your smart CRM. You're going to love me for this in a year when you're able to track which call to actions work the best. So that's it for this one.